Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to filter chlorine from water. First, understand why removing chlorine is beneficial for your health and home. Chlorine is commonly used to disinfect municipal water, but it often leaves an unpleasant taste and smell. Beyond taste, it can contribute to dry skin and hair, and even react with organic matter to form byproducts that some studies link to health concerns. Filtering your water improves its overall quality for drinking, cooking, and bathing. Several methods effectively remove chlorine. Activated carbon filters are a popular choice, working by adsorption to trap chlorine molecules and significantly improve water's taste and odor. Reverse osmosis systems offer a more comprehensive solution, using a semi-permeable membrane to remove up to 98% of chlorine, along with many other contaminants. For complete home coverage, a whole house filtration system ensures every faucet delivers chlorine-free water. Installing a filter system can be straightforward. First, select the right type for your needs, whether it's a simple pitcher filter, an undersink unit, or a whole house system. For undersink or whole house installations, always turn off your main cold water supply. Carefully follow the manufacturer's instructions to connect the inlet and outlet lines, ensuring all fittings are secure to prevent any leaks. Running water through the new filter for a few minutes helps flush out any carbon fines. Maintaining your filter is crucial for continuous clean water. Activated carbon filters typically need replacement every 6 to 12 months, depending on usage and water quality. Regular maintenance ensures your system continues to effectively remove chlorine and other impurities, protecting your plumbing and appliances. Enjoy improved water taste, healthier skin and hair, and peace of mind. For easy meal prep solutions, check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.